this? Sounds of the SE, who's that? Sounds of the Tunerz, who's this? Sounds of the SE, who's that? Sounds of the Tunerz, who's this? The SE Tunerz, who's that? The SE Tunerz, who's this? The SE Tunerz, who's that? The SE Tunerz. Run up in the dark slide, everybody down. Run up in the dark slide, everybody down. Run up in the dark slide.
Yes, people. What's happening? First things first, I want to get the housekeeping out of the way. You know how it goes. Those of you that are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, stay notified for all up-to-date videos and content. As always, I want to thank everyone for your continued support. We appreciate the love and support that everyone shows us, and it doesn't go unnoticed. With that in mind, as you know, or for those of you that don't know, every month we're giving away something to one of our followers. And it's American candy, a whole bucket full of it, courtesy of Gracie's Sweet Treats. If you don't know, you can check our link. It's going to be somewhere down here or up there, I don't know. But yeah, so January's winner, here's the whole drum roll thing, is Tunerz 97. Hopefully I've pronounced that right. But yeah, just want to say a big thank you, and hope you enjoy your little hoodie box. But from me, that's probably it. I'm not going to waffle on. Yeah, got nothing else left to say. So now I'm going to pass you over to the governor, yeah, aka Patrick, and he's going to give you another little video about some more of our products. Peace.
Thanks, Dee. And as Dee's just said, remember, all you need to do to win a bucket from Gracie's Sweet Treats every single month is just comment to win. That's literally it. Just comment, leave a comment below the video, and that's all you need to do to win yourself a Gracie's Sweet Treats bucket. Don't forget to also hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications so every time we upload a video, you know we've uploaded some new content. And if you like our content, don't forget to hit the like button. Remember, if you want to see our detailed cleaning guide using our Southeast Tunerz valeting products, you can go to the website www.southeasttuners.co.uk and you can download it from the cleaning guide page. So in the last video where we were showing you our snow foam product, I showed you that the wheels hadn't been cleaned for over a month and they had a lot of grime, dirt, brake dust, you name it, all covering them. So I'm just showing you the pictures from the previous video to give you an idea. So if you remember rightly, I rinsed the car once, I also put snow foam on it, and then I rinsed it again. So this is the state of the front wheel after the car's been rinsed twice and after I added the snow foam. So I'm now adding the Southeast Tunerz wheel cleaner onto the wheel. Now this has bleeding iron remover on it, so what happens is as you spray the product onto the wheel, it reacts to all the dirt, grime and dust and all the other particles that are sitting on the wheel. The reaction causes the product to turn purple, and I'm supposing, as you can see, from the darker it gets, that's the areas which are more dirty. Once the product is applied, you then take a wheel brush. We're using here our Southeast Tunerz small wheel cleaning brush, and you literally just rub the product into the wheel, around the wheel, and as you're doing that, it's removing and taking off all the dirt, the grime, the brake dust, everything that's on the wheel. Now I did notice when I watched this video back, when you're doing things you don't actually see, but I did notice that once the wheels were actually rinsed off, that I had missed the top parts of the wheels, but not too bothered about that because I don't just rinse the wheels and add this product. I will be using our Wash and Glow shampoo also on the wheels and then putting a wheel sealant on the wheels after, so the wheels will get cleaned thoroughly through this video. But as for now, like I said, I'm showing you our wheel product in motion. So I go over the wheel as much as possible. I try to get in between, I try to get into the corners. I didn't have my little small detailing brush on me on the day because that does the corners perfectly, but this brush here is perfect for doing these wheels. And as you can see, I'm thoroughly going over the wheel. I've even gone over the tire, and now it's just to rinse off. So if you can remember how the wheel looks, as you rinse off the wheel cleaner, you will see there'll be a big difference in how the wheel actually comes up. closer look, closer inspection, just to show you. You could see there was still a bit of dirt in the corners there, but here we go. I'm going to rinse the wheel off now. As you can see, as the water hits it, the wheel automatically begins to shine. I love these rims. They're a replica of the original OZs or even the Keskins. All the Golfs I've owned, even though this one's the missus, I've had this kind of design of wheel on the vehicle. And as you can see, quick rinse of the wheel and the wheels come up absolutely stunning. Now, to be honest, like I said, depending on how much time you've got, you could actually wipe the wheel down, dry it, and that will be it. Depending if you're in a rush, your wheels will come up nice and clean from just applying the wheel cleaner and giving it a rinse. You can see how clean the wheels come up. But like I said, I do go that little extra step. Now, around the rims of the wheel, you'd probably think they're curb marks. They're not actually curb marks. I did have wheel protectors on the wheel, and I did remove them because they kept on coming off, and they've left behind some residue from the adhesive. Nothing that can't be removed with our tar remover, which I will be getting onto in another video. So that's the front wheel. I'm also now going to clean the back wheel just to show you again. So once again, I'm going to apply our wheel cleaner. As I said, as the wheel cleaner is applied, you will see as it stays on there, it automatically begins to react and turn purple. I try to cover as much of the wheel as possible with this wheel cleaner. And you can see it's changing color, it's getting darker. Straight in there with the brush. Now this wheel cleaner works on all different types of wheels, alloy, steel, you name it, it does the job. It even works on the bodywork of the car. So if you have dirt and grime along the body of the car, you can spray it along the bottom of the car and it will take all of the grime off the car. Going around the whole of the wheel, making sure I'm getting on the inside with the little bolts that are on there, cleaning the face of the wheel. Now this brush that we sell, the Southeast Tunerz wheel brush, is the bristles on it are very soft, so it won't cause no damage or scratches to any of your wheels at all. And it does the job perfectly.
Ladies and gentlemen, hold on to your seats.
So as you can see, yet again, I'm going on the inside of the wheel, making sure I go into all the corners, giving them a quick scrub. Going round the edge of the rim, making sure the wheel cleaner is applied to the majority of the wheel. Like I said, I will be going over these wheels again with our Wash and Glow shampoo. And as I said, for the rinse now, you will see the wheel yet again immediately shines. Now I can say this again, and I'll say it with all of our products, we're probably one of the cheapest on the market for price. And if you haven't got this wheel cleaner in your selection, it's no different from any other wheel cleaner out there with any other brand. It does exactly the same job, and our price is a lot cheaper. So make sure you check out our website, www.southeasttuners.co.uk. Go into our shop and purchase yourself this wheel cleaner, because like I said, it's like every other wheel cleaner product out there that have the bleed out remover. So just stepping back from the car now, you can see both of the wheels now have come up nice and clean. Inspecting the front wheel there again, and that's it. That's literally all you have to do with the wheel cleaner to get your wheels come up. Anyway, thank you for watching. Go and purchase yourself the Southeast Tunerz wheel cleaner.